Good evening, students. Welcome back to the class. Today, we are starting a new chapter from history, Kerala from 8th to 18th century. The period between the 8th and the 18th century is considered as the medieval period of Kerala. During this period, many political, social, and economic changes took place. Okay, students, let's study about Tharisapalli copper plate. This plate is in Vatteluthu script which was prevalent in Kerala during the medieval period. The Vatteluthu documents is the most important source of information about the Nadus of Kerala. Nadus emerged during the period of Tamilakam. The Nadus were the places where the people established their agricultural settlements. Nadus consisted of numerous kudis and urs. Here, the kudis were the families of occupational groups engaged in agriculture. The chief of kudi was Kudipadi. Next, ur. Many kudis constituted the ur. The chief of ur is Uralar. Next, Nadu. Many urs constituted a Nadu. The chief of Nadu were Naduvali. Let's study about Perumals. The Nadus were under the Perumals who ruled Kerala with their capital at Mahodayapuram, that is present Kodungallur in Thrissur. All the 14 Nadus from Kolathu Nadu in the north to the Venad in the south accepted the rule of the Perumals. It was during this period that a centralized rule came into being in Kerala for the first time. Rulers from Rajashekaran to Ramakulasekaran ruled during 800 to 1122 CE with Mahodayapuram as their capital. Next, let's study the characteristics of the rule of the Perumals. First one, Perumals had representatives called Koiladhikarikal. Second one, in the matters of administration, the Perumals were assisted by Nalutali, the council of Brahmins. Third one, Perumals had a militia called Airam. That means 1,000. Fourth point, Perumals levied taxes from the Nadus, Nagaras, Brahmin Gramas, temples, etc. Next, Swarupams. By the 12th century CE, the centralized rule of the Perumals came to an end. The Nadus became independent. The positions of power that developed in the Nadus were known as Naduvadi Swarupams. The main Naduvadi Swarupams are: first one, Kola Swarupam, that is in Kolathu Nadu. Second one, Nediyirippu Swarupam, that is in Eranadu. Third one, Perimpadappu Swarupam, that is in Kochi. And the last one, Trippapur Swarupam, is in Venadu. Okay, students, let's study about Swarupams in detail. The Swarupams were the ruling families with the right of self-rule, and they followed matrilineal system of inheritance. The Swarupams had their own military. Armies like Arisipadijanam of Venad, Padamala Nayanmar of Kolathu Nadu, and Lokaru of Nediyirippu. In order to increase their power, the Nadus used to clash with one another and used to join forces against the common enemy. The Portuguese and the Dutch, who reached the Kerala coast by the end of the 15th century, used to intervene in such clashes for their trade. Today, we discussed about Nadus, Perumals, and Swarupam. Hope you all understood about today's topic. Thank you.